Well, how do there, chums? 'Tis I, Captain of the Steves, and today, chums, I'm going to be cooking a meal for Ivy and me. It's going to be a 3-course meal, starting off with scallops. So these are the scallops. Now, it also has the roe inside the packaging. I don't like the roe, but I might actually cook it up anyway and put it as a separate thing on Ivy's plate. First off, I've just put some oil inside the pan, not just any old oil. It's a pretty decent, I think it's an olive oil, this one. Very nice. There you go, Natural Valley. But yeah, anyway, that's in there. That's going to get to heat. Then I'm just going to put the scallops around the edge. All the way around the edge. Okay, right, the scallops are in. Now it is just a case of searing them. So they're already sizzling, as you can hear. That's the noise that they need to be making. And I just need to flip them over in a bit. I just want to be them golden and brown on each side. But I still want them to be quite fresh on the inside. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this in. That's Calamanci with honey, just to sort of glaze these a little and to give it a little bit of a sweetened taste. Righto, so I've added in the honey and the Calamanci, and that's just fizzing away. While that's going, I'm going to add in a little knob of butter as well. Okay, I'm just going to add a little drizzle, not much, of Prosecco in there as well. There we go. That'll do. White wine would work as well, just don't use red. Okay, well I've turned the heat off, but that heat is going to continue heating this, so it's still cooking, but it's only searing them. So they've only been in there for, well, hardly done any editing to this. So roughly about 3 minutes. What I have here is mango and Amarillo chili chutney. I'm just going to put a little drizzle of that inside the little dish, and I'm just going to put the scallops on top. Ivy's just setting the table. I'm going to bring this over and we'll get Ivy's opinion of the first course. Okie dokie, so I probably don't need these lap trays. But here comes Ivy's. There you go, I'm bringing it over. No cutlery yet. And here's mine. Here we go. Cool. Can't wait to see what you think of this, Ivy. I've given you the roe.
This one is mine.
This one is yours.
Where's
now,
our drink?
Ivy, this bit over here is called the roe, and it's really salty. So I've given you that because I know you like sort of different tastes.
What's that?
I'm not keen on the roe. I don't like the roe.
Where is it from?
It's the really salty part of the clam. It's what holds it in. Now we quite like the shape of these bottles. It matches our Diabolo glasses. So we are going to be using this for water and things, for barbecues, this bottle.
This one?
Yeah, we'll upcycle it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do for that one. Okay, Ivy, do you want to go first? Do you want to try one of yours?
What's this sauce?
Mango and chili flake.
Right, so what is this?
That's the roe. So
Oh my god, I need to try that later. I have to try this first.
try that first, yeah.
Nice and soft. A bit moist.
And a little bit of the sauce. There you go.
Okay, let's begin.
Give it a go. Nice and fresh still.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Do you want to try a little bit of the roe?
Oh no.
There's 2 little bits there, and 1 large bit, so you can always try one of the little bits if you want it first. That's the big bit. She's being brave. In it goes. It's more salty though, isn't it?
I like salty.
Okay, cool. You nearly finished your first course. I'll have to do the second course soon. I'm going to eat mine now. Yeah, I'm just going to try a little bit of the scallop without the sauce, just to... Very nice. Now with the sauce. Very sweet, very nice, very good. Like that. Very nice. Very soft, very tender. Keeps all of its flavour. I think that's spot on. Go! So Ivy's on her last one.
Thank you, baby.
That's alright. You really like that sauce, don't you?
I want more, look.
Yeah. Very nice. Cool, and I've finished mine. That was very handsome. I'm going to use the same bowls for dessert, so I'd have to wash those up in a moment. while I'm doing the main course. Oh,
Yeah.
wanna do cheers?
Mmm.
Cheers, princess. There you go.
Special night. Question, Steven.
Yeah.
What's the occasion? Why we have a special night tonight?
I've been watching a bit of Come Dine With Me. I don't know whether they still do the TV series, but I figured this would be a good little video to send to them and ask if we could be considered.
I'm
Could be
good on
good.
table settings. You're good on cooking of something.
Yeah, couples come dine with me or something, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well I've got some chunky codfish fingers, which I'm thinking I'm going to do 2 each of those, or might as well go for all 3. And then we've got these fish cakes. I'm just going to do 1 of each for each of us. So I'm going to be using up all of those. Hopefully it fits on the baking tray. Hopefully it fits in that mini. Okay, well these only just about fit on. So 2 of the actual codfish fingers I'll be having for my lunch tomorrow. Into the mini oven. Put it quite low down because I want those fish cakes to cook all the way through. Let's get this turned on. And I'm going to do it at 180 for 10 minutes to start out with. Okay, so now I've moved it up a shelf just to sort of give it that little bit of a crisp on top. I'm doing that 180 for 5 minutes. Okay, so on the 2 salmon smoked cod haddock fish cakes, I'm going to be using a little bit of this, just a little dollop on top. And then for the others, which are the parsley sauce and melting middle, I'm again going to use the little bit of chutney sauce, but not too much on there. And then for the fish cakes, I mean the fish sticks, or whatever you call them, fish fingers, good old Hellman's mayonnaise. I've managed to bruise my thumb somehow. Okay, the main course is served. Yep, hopefully Ivy likes this. Ivy, food, main course. Here she comes.
Oh my God! What have you done?
Main course time.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy. There's 2 different types of fish cake there.
So this is the sauce. You didn't separate the sauce.
That one's got mayo on.
What is it?
They're fish fingers.
Fish fingers.
And then there's 2 different types of fish cake there.
Can I try now?
Yeah.
I want more sauce. This one I like.
Yeah, mango chutney.
Yeah, hot.
Yeah.
Mmm. Crunchy outside.
Nice.
Is this fish?
Yeah, it's cod. Nice.
Oh.
It's hot.
Hot.
Sorry.
I like it hot.
Cool.
Well done.
Nice
Very
one.
nice. I did the same.
No. One of them is salmon, and the other one is cod. So that one that you're about to have now is salmon.
Ooh, salmon, like something inside.
And that's going to be hot too.
Oh, look at
Yep,
that. It's still
yep.
there.
Bit
Look.
of parsley sauce in there as well, yeah.
Yeah. It's smoking inside. That's perfect.
So you don't need a lot of the sauce I've put on top, but just a little taste. Just to give it a bit of a kick.
Mmm. Oh, perfect sauce.
Yeah, you like it?
It's salmon.
Yeah.
Love it. Mmm.
Well, that one might be the parsley one and cod, and then the other one might be salmon.
Mmm.
Yeah, I think the other one's the salmon one.
Shall we try the salmon now?
Yeah.
You like fish today, aren't you? This is the salmon. So this
Think
is supposed
so.
to be sauce.
One or the other.
Yeah, this is the salmon.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Which one's the best?
Right. A little bit. Not like popping hot inside, but it's hot enough.
Cool.
Right. You're asking me what I like
Yeah.
between 2?
Yeah.
This.
That one the nicest.
Hot.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I like them. I like them. I like them.
Brilliant. Glad
Look
you like it.
inside.
Cool.
Why this is popping up inside and this one not much?
Not
Oh,
sure.
there's a cheese coming out.
Yeah, there's cheese in that one as well, yeah.
Oh my god, this special.
Maybe that's why that one's not as hot in the middle, because
From
it's
the lamb cheese.
got cheese in. Yeah.
Look that.
There you go.
And then
Good. Okay, I'll go for like you did. I'll start with the fish finger. That's a good fish finger. I think this is the salmon one first. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's very nice that. Let's try this one, which I think is the cod and parsley, or haddock and parsley.
So
All goes very well together, doesn't it?
which one you like the most?
Nice.
The salmon or the cod?
I think I like this one. The one
Yeah,
with
me-
cheese in the middle.
Oh, salmon. I like the cod.
Mm-hmm. So we both like different ones. That's good.
Yeah.
Very nice. Cool.
Scrumptious, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah.
We're going to eat all this, and then it's course number 3, the dessert.
Can we have the dessert after an hour?
Yeah, no
Because
problem.
it's too many.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Now, normally I'd use my own cookie dough, but in this case, I'm going to use some pre-made cookies and just heat them up in the oven for like 2 minutes, and then put some ice cream. The ice cream I am going to use is going to be Mackie's of Scotland, and I've also got some drizzle to put on top, but I don't think there's much drizzle left in there, so it might be a little bit of a spittle rather than a drizzle. We shall see. Here she comes. Come on, the Ivy. Come on. It's dessert time. Dessert time. You gotta get to it while it's still hot. Yeah, you got a little bit of caramel. You got the little bit of caramel sauce. There was no caramel left for me.
What?
You need to get it while the cookie dough is still hot.
Okay.
Come.
Oh, let's take a
Go,
picture.
go.
Stop it. Stop it.
Moment of truth, Ivy.
Make sure my
Go,
head
go.
is gonna be gone.
Yeah, hopefully.
Look at me!
Yeah, go for it. Okay.
So
Try
which
and get
one
a bit of
first?
cookie dough. This one should be nice and soft while it's still hot. And a little bit of ice cream with it.
Can I just eat it as it is for now?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
No!
Try with the ice cream because it's
Cookie
honeycomb.
dough?
Honeycomb ice cream.
Honeycomb. Cookie dough is nice itself.
Yeah.
I feel like in a 5-star hotel. Or
Yeah.
fine dining restaurant.
You like it?
Oh my god!
Yeah, is that a winner? Is that a winner, is it?
It's heaven!
Mm-hmm.
I don't like pudding. I like this.
Yeah. Good.
Mm.
Yeah.
Delicious!
Yeah, maybe I could do that when my parents are over then, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. Is that
What
your
ice cream is that?
honeycomb?
How did you know there's honeycomb?
I just got it in Morrison's.
Mm.
Cool. And she likes that.
Oh my god, these are dessert.
Yeah. Here we go. Let's have a little try.
Scrumptious.
That is good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is very Moorish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Yum yum. Perfect.
Thank you.
Oh my god, good dinner.
Good. Glad you liked it.
Baby, it's nice.
So, I mean, you would cook for me more often than I cook for you, but
Oh, thank you.
you like it when I cook, though, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, would you rate that quite well? That 3-course meal?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
11, 10.
Thank you. Cool. Well, there you go, people. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you try some of these dishes at home. Till next time. Goodbye, and goodbye again.
What's that?
World of screens where dreams come alive. Captain Steve takes us a magical ride through pixels and colors. He guides our way with every video. We escape just for a day from video games to life logs and talk so bizarre. Captain Steve's channel takes us near and far. He dives into the depths of the internet's realm, unveiling strange tales that overwhelm.